Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi my beloved students. How are you today? I hope all of you are in a good condition. Amin. Back again with me, Miss Alika, in Fun English Lesson for 2nd grade. Previously, we have learned Unit 6 about parts of body. In this occasion, we're going to continue the next materials. They are identifying and describing people vocabulary. Before we start our lesson, let's say Basmalah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And make dua. Rabbi zidni ilman warzuqni fahman. Amin. Dan janganlah kamu mengikuti sesuatu yang tidak kamu ketahui, karena pendengaran, penglihatan, dan hati semua itu akan diminta pertanggungjawabannya. Quran Surah Al-Isra ayat 36. Hendaknya kita berhati-hati dalam berucap dan berbuat, karena semua pasti akan diminta pertanggungjawabannya oleh Allah. Begitupun kalian, ketika berucap dan berbuat harus berhati-hati, terutama kepada orang tua, kakak, adik, teman, maupun tetangga. The objectives of our lesson today is listen and repeat the vocabulary of describing people. Now, we're going to learn about describing people vocabulary. Let's listen and say the words. Old, old. Young, young. Tall, tall. Short, short. Thin, thin. Long hair, long hair. Blonde hair, blonde hair. Dark skin, dark skin. Brown eyes, brown eyes. Round eyes, round eyes, etc. And now, let's discuss the vocabulary one by one. Number 1. Old. Do you know how to spell that word? Let's spell it. O-L-D. Do you know what is old in bahasa? Yes, that's right. In bahasa Indonesia, old means tua. Number 2. Young. Let's spell it. Y-O-U-N-G. What is young in bahasa Indonesia? Young in bahasa Indonesia is muda. Number 3. Tall. Come on, spell it together. T-A-L-L. Do you know what is tall in bahasa Indonesia? Tall is tinggi in bahasa Indonesia. Number 4. Short. Do you know how to spell short? Spell it together. Come on. S-H-O-R-T. In bahasa Indonesia means pendek. Number 5. Thin. Spell it together. T-H-I-N. Thin. What is thin in bahasa Indonesia? Yes, that's right. Thin in bahasa Indonesia is kurus. Number 6. Long hair. Do you know how to spell long hair? Spell it together. Come on. L-O-N-G-H-A-I-R. In bahasa Indonesia means rambut panjang. Number 7. Blonde hair. Let's spell it. B-L-O-N-D-H-A-I-R. What is blonde hair in bahasa Indonesia? Blonde hair in bahasa Indonesia is rambut pirang. Number 8. Dark skin. Spell it together. D-A-R-K-S-K-I-N. What is dark skin in bahasa Indonesia? Yes, that's right. Dark skin in bahasa Indonesia is kulit gelap. Number 9. Brown eyes. Come on, spell it together. B-R-O-W-N-E-Y-E-S. Do you know what is brown eyes in bahasa Indonesia? Brown eyes is mata coklat in bahasa Indonesia. Number 10. Round eyes. Let's spell it. R-O-U-N-D-E-Y-E-S. What is round eyes in bahasa Indonesia? Round eyes in bahasa Indonesia is mata bulat. Alright, this is the example sentence of identifying and describing people. He has blonde hair. Dia memiliki rambut pirang. She has round eyes. Dia memiliki mata bulat. He wear a red shoes. Dia memakai sepatu merah. She wear a blue dress. Dia memakai gaun biru. Untuk mendeskripsikan penampilan seseorang or describing people's appearance, bisa dilakukan dengan menyebut ciri-ciri umumnya, seperti tinggi badan, bentuk tubuh, maupun usia. Bisa dengan ciri-ciri tertentu seperti menyebutkan bentuk rambut, mata, hidung, dan lain sebagainya. Adapun contoh kalimat describing people's appearance adalah She is my sister. She is thin. Her hair is wavy and black. Yang artinya, dia adalah saudara perempuan saya. Dia kurus, rambutnya bergelombang dan hitam. The conclusion of this lesson is about spell the word, identifying and to know, describing people's appearance. Alright, this is the end of our lesson. Let's say hamdallah. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin. Thank you so much for your attention. Stay healthy, always study hard, pray hard, and always be happy. I'll see you kiddos in the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.